Did you know that over 1.9 billion people are overweight and the most dangerous kind of fat? Belly fat. Not only does it ruin your confidence, but it wraps around your organs and increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain cancers. But here's the shocking twist. There are foods you can eat before bed that actually help your body burn that belly fat while you sleep. Yes, while you're sleeping. This isn't some gimmick, it's backed by science. So stay tuned as we uncover 10 powerful foods that can fire up your metabolism and shrink your belly overnight. Let's be honest, belly fat is one of the hardest things to get rid of. You try dieting, working out, drinking more water, cutting carbs, but that stubborn pouch won't budge. Why? Because the body holds onto belly fat when it's stressed, sleep-deprived, or out of hormonal balance. And that's where these 10 foods come in. They help regulate hormones like cortisol and insulin, fuel fat burning, and promote deep sleep, giving your body the overnight reset it needs. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Let's start strong with one of the best nighttime fat burners, Greek yogurt. This isn't your average yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps your metabolism active throughout the night. That's right, even when you're sleeping, your body is breaking down protein, burning calories, and building lean muscle. But that's not all. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics that support gut health, which plays a key role in weight management. A healthy gut reduces inflammation and improves digestion, both essential for burning fat. Just make sure to choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Top it with a few berries or flax seeds, and you've got a perfect fat-fighting snack before bed. Number 2. Avocado. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're incredibly powerful when it comes to burning fat. These creamy green fruits are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce belly fat by regulating blood sugar and improving fat oxidation. Avocados also contain magnesium and tryptophan, which help calm your nervous system and promote deeper sleep. And remember, better sleep equals better hormone regulation, especially cortisol, the stress hormone that stores fat in your belly. Have a few slices on whole grain toast or in a light evening salad. Your waistline will thank you. Number 3. Tart Cherries. This one might surprise you. Tart cherries are a secret weapon against belly fat. They're one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. But what does that have to do with fat loss? Poor sleep increases levels of ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and decreases leptin, your fullness hormone, making you crave more food the next day. Tart cherries help you sleep deeper and longer, keeping these hormones in check. Even better, tart cherries are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, helping your body recover and burn more fat. Try drinking a small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Number 4. Salmon. Next on our list, salmon, especially the wild-caught kind. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower cortisol levels. These 3 effects are huge for losing belly fat. Salmon is also an excellent source of protein, which helps preserve lean muscle mass. More muscle, more fat burned, even at rest. And when you eat salmon for dinner, it supports hormonal balance throughout the night. Pair it with some roasted veggies and quinoa for a metabolism-boosting meal that keeps your body in fat-burning mode while you sleep. Number 5. Almonds. If you're craving something crunchy at night, go for almonds. These little nuts are packed with magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats, a trio that keeps you full, reduces cravings, and helps your body relax before bed. Magnesium plays a huge role in sleep quality and insulin sensitivity, 2 things critical to burning fat. Plus, almonds help keep your blood sugar stable overnight, preventing the fat-storing insulin spikes that come from high-carb snacks. Just a handful, about 10 to 12 almonds, is enough to make a difference. Don't go overboard. Too many nuts can add up in calories quickly. Number 6. Chamomile tea. This one's not technically a food, but it's too powerful to skip. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries to calm the body and mind. And science backs it up. It helps reduce anxiety, promotes better sleep, and lowers inflammation. What does that mean for fat loss? Everything. When you're relaxed and sleeping deeply, your cortisol drops, your hunger hormones reset, and your metabolism gets the green light to burn fat. Try sipping a cup 30 minutes before bed, especially after a stressful day. No sugar, of course. Number 7. Cottage cheese. Here's another protein-rich food that works overnight: cottage cheese. Like Greek yogurt, it contains casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps your metabolism active while you sleep. It also contains tryptophan, an amino acid that boosts serotonin and melatonin levels. Translation: you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and support the hormones that control appetite and fat storage. Have a small bowl with cinnamon or flax seeds for a tasty, belly fat-burning bedtime snack. Number 8. Quinoa. Wait, carbs before bed? Yes, but the right kind. Quinoa is a complex carb loaded with fiber, protein, and magnesium. It doesn't spike your blood sugar like white rice or pasta. Instead, it provides slow, steady energy and supports the production of serotonin, which helps you relax and sleep. Plus, it helps reduce late-night cravings. Pair quinoa with a lean protein and some veggies, and you've got a dinner that's both satisfying and slimming. Number 9. Kiwi. Tiny but mighty kiwis are excellent for sleep and fat loss. They're full of vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural serotonin boosters that improve sleep quality. Studies show that eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed helps people fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly, both of which contribute to better hormone regulation and faster fat metabolism. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great evening snack. Number 10. Natural peanut butter. Last, but definitely not least, natural peanut butter. Not the sugary kind, we're talking real, unsweetened peanut butter with just peanuts and a pinch of salt. Peanut butter is high in healthy fats and protein, helping you feel full longer and reducing late-night hunger. It also contains tryptophan, which promotes better sleep. 1 tablespoon before bed, maybe on a slice of whole grain toast or with some banana slices, can help your body repair and burn fat overnight. You don't have to starve yourself at night to lose belly fat. In fact, eating the right foods before bed can do the opposite. It can help your body relax, regulate hormones, sleep better, and burn fat more effectively. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and salmon provide protein that fuels your body through the night. Avocados, almonds, and peanut butter deliver healthy fats and magnesium to reduce stress and promote fullness. Tart cherries, chamomile tea, and kiwi help you sleep deeper and manage fat-storing hormones. And quinoa? It gives you lasting energy and curbs cravings. Incorporate a few of these foods into your evening routine, and over time you'll notice a difference not just in your waistline, but in your sleep, energy, and mood. It's not about eating less. It's about eating smarter. So what are you going to eat tonight to help your body burn belly fat while you sleep? Are you thinking about trying Greek yogurt with berries, maybe sipping on some chamomile tea? Or are you excited to add tart cherry juice to your nightly routine? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what works for you and what new habits you're starting. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more science-backed tips to help you live healthier, feel better, and reach your goals faster. Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes lead to big results. Start tonight.